So you want to make videos that get millions of views, but you don't have enough money to destroy a private jet? Or you don't have the musical ability to sing about lasagna? Well, I'm going to show you how anyone, yes, even you, can make a video that gets over 1 million views, and it's super easy. The first step is to come up with a really good thumbnail and a really good title. What the video is going to be about doesn't matter at all, because we all know that the actual content is not important. The only thing that's important is that it's got a shiny, pretty thumbnail that people will click on, and a title that basically lies about what the video is about, aka clickbait. So first I'm going to show you how to make a good thumbnail. The most important thing you need in your thumbnail is a big number. People love big numbers, and as we don't already have a video ourselves with big numbers, we gotta steal another one. So I'm just gonna screenshot this here. Yoink. Okay, now that we have stolen content from another creator, the next step is to put that into a Photoshop document. Now we want this big number nice and big on the screen because we want people to see it. Just when you think it's big enough, make it bigger. Never stop making it big. Okay, now we made the number nice and dark so it'll stand out against the white background so people can see it better. Now there's a couple of things we need to do to make this further stand out. The first thing is to put a big red circle over it so people's eyes are drawn towards it. Okay, that's pretty good, but it's not good enough. The next thing you want to do is to put a big red arrow pointing at the big number. Now you want to use this arrow in particular because it's the same arrow that literally everybody else uses. I'm going to make that arrow nice and big. Now I'm just going to get rid of this stolen title here, and we're going to add our own title. Now this is going to be your video, so I just put your video title. Now we also need big text, big bold text that stands out and says something that's going to get people to click on this video. So I'm just going to put the word super easy really big on it, because people love things that are super easy and that they don't have to work hard for. So that's going to make them want to click on this video. Okay, so that's pretty much your thumbnail done. Now at this point you might be thinking, if this is my thumbnail, what is my video going to be about? Well, silly baka, it doesn't matter what the video is about. All that matters is that you got a clickbait in your title and a really pretty thumbnail. So what you're going to do for the actual video is simply record yourself making the thumbnail. That's all you got to do. And then for the title of the video, you just title it something like how anyone, even you, can make a viral video with over 1 million views, something like that. Now obviously the video isn't actually going to be about that, you're just going to be making a thumbnail. But so that you can say that it's not clickbait, at the end of your video when you're done making the thumbnail, you just say something like, okay, now you guys do the same thing that I did, record yourselves making the thumbnail and put the same title on the video, and that's how you make a video that gets over 1 million views. So you don't actually make a video, you make a video about making a video that gets over 1 million views. You see what I'm saying? And then eventually enough people will click on that video, it'll get 1 million views, and then all those people who see the video will make their own videos doing the exact same thing, and those videos will get over 1 million views, and then people who watch those videos make their own videos, and then eventually there'll just be a ton of videos on YouTube about how to make popular videos, but they'll all just be people making thumbnails. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this super easy tutorial that literally anyone could do. You don't have to put any actual thought into the video or any real time or effort. You can probably do this in like 10 minutes. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. That's it for today. Peace.